Hi folks, here we are, the Boucher S62. This engine was seized because I didn't really store it correctly, but I stripped it down and got it all out, and now look at it go. And you can see there, we're about 55 PSI, and it's running really well. It's clean. Turn it down a bit. So that's the Boucher S62, dates about 1930, and there's the Boucher boiler. It's running about 55 PSI now, and you can see that engine just purrs, and it's 1930. You know, I've stripped it right down, cleaned everything, sorted it all out, retimed it. This is going really well. Look at that. I've had to bolt it down, but I need a few more bolts on here. So we're just going to turn the throttle down a bit. Oh, too much.